Ever wondered how to animate a smooth walk cycle in Moho? Watch me bring this Jesus character to life as he walks in the screen. Okay, just using my laptop. Okay, let's go. So I imagine, what if Jesus wanted to cross in the screen? So I open my animation software and I gave him a walk cycle that will take him to walk right away on the screen. So let me show you step by step how I animated this. If you love animation or you want to learn it, make sure you follow this page and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss anything. Okay, so let me show you step by step how I animated this Jesus character. So guys, I'm going to import the character now. So I'll go to file, then I'll import the character. So I'll locate where the character is. So this is the character, Jesus character. So I'm going to import the file, then open. So just tell them no. So just select the Jesus character and then press OK. So this is the Jesus character. Then this Jesus character I created now. Okay, I have already rigged the thing. You see that you can move the character anyhow you want. Okay, you can move the character anyhow you want. So guys, if you like to support my work and also to save time in your project, you can actually purchase and download this character. Okay, so you can purchase the character and then use it for your animation. You can see it's a Jesus character. So click the link in the comment section to to grab this character and start animating. Okay, so at this point, then I have to import my background. So I'll go to import, then I'm going to go to background. Then also this background, if you want to get this background, also visit my cartoon shop where you can get the background. So you have to position this background now to be behind the character like this. Okay, so you have to position your character like this and then have this one. You can now scale it out like this. So now let's say you want this character to walk from here to here. It's very easy to do. Okay, so what you have to do is, let me zoom in. So what you have to do is just go to this action. As you can see, I've already added action. So if you want to learn how to add action, see, I added a bunch of action. See, walk. So that means this character can start walking. So guys, if you want to learn how to add actions to your character, so to make it to move anyhow you want, to run, to walk, to do so many other things. So if you want to learn how to create characters and add actions to it, I recommend you join my animation class where I will teach you step by step how to create cartoon character and then animate it on Moho. So if you want to join my animation class, use the link in the comment section to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me on WhatsApp to join my animation class. So if you have something like this, then I'm going to pause the thing. I'm going to copy this keyframe. So these are the keyframes. So I'll press Ctrl C, then I'll go back to main line. So on the main line, be on frame 0, then press Ctrl V to paste that in your copy. So once you paste that in that you copied, then select this last keyframe. Okay, so if you select this last keyframe, then right click on it. Okay, then what you have to do at this point, you need to go to Windows and then you need to activate docking. Okay, you need to activate keyframe. See it here, keyframe. The shortcut is Ctrl Alt F. So I'll click on it. You see what I've got here. Then select this three dot again. Then from this place, set this thing to cycle. Okay, so once you set it to cycle, that means this animation will continue. It won't stop again until, if you want it to press, you just press Ctrl F and then the thing will freeze. And remember, I want this thing to be just 10 seconds. So I want this animation to stop here. So another thing you have to do is you need to be on this your character layer. Then on that frame 10 you want it to stop. If you want, you can now move this thing so that if you play the video now, the character will start working. Guys, you see very easily. You see how easy it was. Okay, so guys, animation is very easy. Okay, so what you need is to learn how to create a character and then add bone.
If you are enjoying this tutorial and you have learned something new, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, follow this page for more helpful tutorial like this. I drop new tips every week to help you become better at animation, whether you are using a phone or a laptop. So don't miss out. Like, subscribe and follow now.
So if you finish doing this thing now, then click on file, then click on export animation. Okay, so you see that my own Moho is a pro version. I'm using Moho Pro. You see it here. So that if you want to get this Moho Pro, I recommend you join my animation class, because once you join my animation class, I will send you this Moho Pro software so that you can start, animating with it for free. It's a free version. You are not paying for it. So I'm going to do Jesus character walking, then I'm going to press OK. So automatically the video is already exporting, guys. You see, very easy. So very soon now the video will export. So if you want to learn animation, join my WhatsApp channel, contact me. I will send you this Moho Pro software and other animation apps that you'll be using to animate. Okay,
And that is how I made this cartoon video using just my laptop. Imagine what you can create with the right tools and guidance. So if you want to learn how to create your own animated video, whether you are using a smartphone or laptop, then join my animation class today. You will get access to the free animation apps, downloadable project files, and then step-by-step tutorial. I'll also teach you the secret of monetizing your content and earning in dollars. Okay, all the links you need are in the comment section. If you want to learn more of Moho animations, use the playlist link in the comment section to watch more of my helpful tutorials. Okay, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe and share this video to support me to create free tutorials like this. If you want to purchase this character, use the link in the comment section to purchase this Jesus character so that you can use it and start animating. Okay, all right guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in the class. Okay, so let's turn your creativity into cash. Bye.